What if I told you I've acquired over $100 million worth of real estate and managed to keep 20 million in my portfolio using little to none of my own money and creating a ton of equity in the process? And the craziest part, this has allowed me to pay 5% or less in taxes on my income. So stick around because I'm going to show you real life examples on how to use this strategy so you too can create a lot of equity and hopefully save money on your taxes as well. By the way, this is not tax advice. If you want to send this to your CPA or tax advisor to see if this is something that could work for you, please do that first before trying to implement any of these strategies. I'm Tony Javier, founder of an Inc. 5000 rated real estate investment company. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create massive wealth through real estate and do it smart by leveraging the tax code. Real estate is one of the most powerful tools for wealth creation. And if you combine it with the tax codes that are put in place, you're not just going to make more money, you're going to keep more money and build a lot of wealth in the process. As I've mentioned, I bought over $100 million worth of real estate over the last 20 plus years using other people's money. And because of what I'm about to show you, I've been able to keep 20 million of that, again, creating a lot of wealth. That's what a lot of people don't do when they invest in real estate is they want the quick payday, but if you can figure out how to create long-term wealth, there's gonna be a point you never have to work again. So don't let these big numbers scare you. If you just take a zero off of these numbers and you buy $2 million worth of real estate, imagine what that would do to your net worth and what that would do to your retirement down the road once you have those paid off. So now I'm going to show you how I implemented this strategy. What I love about real estate is the instant equity potential. You buy a property and renovate it, and all of a sudden you've created a ton of equity. Back in college, when I started investing in real estate, I kept 10 of my first properties. Even though I created hundreds of thousands of dollars in equity, I didn't understand these tax advantages I'm going to show you. And luckily, because I figured this out so early, I have over $20 million in real estate with around 40% equity in these properties. And let me reiterate, I put very little, if any, money into most of these properties. How do I buy these with no money down? I do it through private investors. Real estate is a tangible, stable asset. Unlike a stock that can go to zero overnight, real estate is backed by land, structure, and insurance. That makes it safe and attractive for investors. So I partner with investors who will fund 100% of the purchase price and the renovations. This is typically individuals that I meet over time and network with, or family and friends. I give them a solid fixed return backed by real estate, and then we do the heavy lifting. So let me give you a real life example of how this works. Let's say we buy a distressed house for $100,000. We put $50,000 into this house and now it's worth $200,000. We ask our investor to put up $150,000 to buy and renovate this house, and it's backed by a property that's going to be worth $200,000. Once we refinance or sell the property, they are paid off and they get a very nice return. At this point, we can either sell the property and make money, or we can keep it as a rental property, build wealth, and save money on taxes. Next, I'm going to talk about the BRRRR method. This is buy, renovate, rent, refinance, and repeat. Yes, this is a high-level strategy. You need to know how to find great deals, renovate strategically, and secure financing on the back end. But if you can master this, you're not only building wealth, you're unlocking incredible tax benefits. Want to get motivated sellers that nobody knows about? Introducing 10X TV. If you want to create credibility in your market, find deals that nobody else knows about, and crush your competition, you need to check into TV commercials. It is the new buzz in the real estate investing industry since we introduced it several years ago. I've been using TV commercials myself for the last 12 years and it's absolutely crushed it. So if you want to learn how to get on TV and to do something that little to no people are doing right now, go to claimmymarket.com. Again, that's claimmymarket.com. We usually only work with 2 investors per market, so if you're interested, reach out to us and book a call to see if you can claim your market before anybody else does. Now back to the show. So let's talk about taxes. In the same example, if I buy the property for $100,000, put $50,000 in renovations into it, and it's worth $200,000, I can now unlock bonus depreciation and cost segregation. What this means is the $50,000 in renovations that I put into the property, usually about 80% of that qualifies for bonus depreciation. Anything that's under 20 years of useful life in a property qualifies for this. So right there, I can write off $40,000 on my taxes. And there's cost segregation. If I buy the property for $100,000, typically about 30% of that, we can cost segregate the components in the property and show that 30% of those have less than 20 years left of life, which means we can write them off in that year. That's $30,000 in cost segregation. That's $70,000 we can write off on our taxes. And if you're at a 40% tax rate, that's $28,000 in tax savings. And on top of that, you have $50,000 in equity in this property, and you still have about $70,000 you can appreciate over 27.5 years. Can you see why I love real estate? There's a big equity play, and then there's a big tax play. So this strategy allowed me to build an 8-figure portfolio, partner with investors to find deals, save a ton of money in taxes, and pay less than 5% most years in taxes. In fact, there are a lot of years I paid 0% in taxes, and create long-term wealth without using my own capital. So if you do the math, if I keep 20 of these properties and they have $50,000 in equity, I just created $1 million in equity, not to mention all of the tax savings. And in the future, being able to rent these properties, have my tenants pay for it, and have these properties paid off in 20 years or less. So if you're looking to build wealth, preserve capital, and pay fewer taxes, real estate done right is using this strategy is the way to go. And if you love this video on how to build wealth, you're absolutely going to love this next video.